Danessa Myricks Yummy Skin Universal Color. It has its little spatula. Oh, this is cute. Okay, this little spatula you have to press here and then it pops out. It unscrews and the product is in here. This is my first time trying the Danessa Myricks Yummy Skin Balm. The Danessa Myricks Beauty Yummy Skin Blurring Balm Powder Face and Eyes. It said it has with Obsolete Technology. And this is the universal color. I'm going to try it for the first time, first impression. I'm going to use this little flat foundation brush. I did not put moisturizer on. I only have my regular face moisturizer. Universal color works for everyone, they say. So I'm going to use this and then I will set it with a powder. First impression, I have nowhere to go today. But I'll leave it on. All day to see what happens while I wash and cook. I'm putting it everywhere. This is my skin, what it looks like. Feels like I have nothing on. It doesn't look like I have anything on. This is what I've used. Very little. I don't see any difference because it is universal color. It melts in the skin. I didn't use the spatula. Oh, did it ever smell? No smell. I don't smell anything. This is my Danessa Myricks Blurring Balm Yummy Skin Universal Color. Now let me feel. Yeah, it is dry. It is dry. Like a powder feeling, but not heavy. So I'll keep you updated on my Danessa Myricks, how it works under my makeup. Now let's set it. Sephora Micro Smooth Powder. I'll use that to set my Danessa Myricks. Don't go crazy in this powder. This powder is very fine. All you have to do is dab. I swatch and lots skim. First time using this powder, so let's see. Now I'm swirling the powder. And with all that oil on my skin, I want to make sure. I want to set this very good. Since this is the first time I'm using the Danessa Myricks. This is so pretty. This is my Danessa Myricks and my Sephora powder together. Very, very pretty. I picked the universal color because I know I can match it with anything, any powder, any foundation powder, so that's why I picked it. But take a look. Beautiful, very nice, light, airy. I keep looking because it doesn't feel like I have anything on my face. Thank you all again for watching. Be well, be safe, and stay fabulous. Bye.